You're looking at the result of my first try at pumpkin-shaped sourdough. While I'm happy about how it turned out, I know how to improve this. Here, I'm sharing all the mistakes I made and some tips to help you make a pumpkin-shaped sourdough, but better. So let's jump right in. Begin by cutting 4 24 inches long twines. Lay out each twine as you see here before you take out your dough. My dough sat in the fridge overnight. This is usually my practice, and in this case, this dough is firm, which helps in really shaping and making the handling easier. Don't forget, when you're shaping your dough and putting it in your banneton, use more flour so it won't stick to the fabric. As you can see here, I was struggling a little bit, but I made it through. Another thing, don't lay down your container in the twine, you'll end up redoing it just like what I did here. The next step is to begin tying the ends of the twine. The only thing I dislike in this step was the creases the dough was making because it was too firm and dry from the overnight proof. I know this is because of the proofing basket I used. I should have covered it in plastic to prevent it from happening, but I fixed this issue in the second dough. It was hard to make scoring designs on the dough as well because it was firm, so I did not bother making too much effort. I kind of learned a lot from the first one, so the second one was a little much better. Instead of pulling the twine harder, I let it loose to give more room for the dough to expand. And since the dough is also a bit dry, I sprayed it with a bit of water, and that really helped. I then transferred both doughs into my oven with steam for the first 20 minutes and I let it bake. As I watched the dough bake, I realized that the thin twine is slicing through the dough instead of giving it shape. So I recommend you use a thicker twine. And here you go. These are the baked pumpkin shaped sourdough bread. This is my first try and I'm really happy about this, but I'm gonna give this another try. And also, I hope you can give this a try on your own. And hopefully, with the tips that I left you in this video, you can make a better looking pumpkin shaped sourdough bread.